Good morning, Akshi.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. And how about you?
I'm good. So, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Akshi. So, please give me your introduction first.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Sakshi Chauhan. I have completed my MC and I have undergone Salesforce Admin training. Now I am looking for an opportunity as a Salesforce Admin fresher.
Okay. So, why do you want to become a Salesforce admin?
I choose to build a Salesforce career because it offers strong growth, global demand, continued learning, and the opportunity to work on a real business solution using cloud technology.
Okay. So, what is your understanding of Salesforce?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, Salesforce is a CRM platform used to manage customer data and automate business process and improve sales and service efficiency.
Okay. So, what is standard object?
Yes, okay, ma'am.
Akshi, please adjust your mic. Your voice is little low.
Ma'am.
So, what is standard object?
Okay, ma'am.
Akshi, are you telling? Or shall I move towards next question?
No, 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 ma'am. Standard object is a object that is already created and provided by Salesforce. User to do not need to create it. They can only use and customize to according the business need. Like a example, account contact opportunity.
Okay. What is a schema builder?
Mm, s- mm, Schema. Okay, give me 2 minutes.
Sure.
Schema Builder is the Salesforce tool that provides a graphical view of object, field, and relationship, and allow us to design and manage the data and model easily.
Okay. So can we create an object from a schema builder easily? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. With
Yes, ma'am.
relationship also. Can we create relationship also with the schema builder?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, suppose close date cannot be a past date. How do you implement this? There is a field that is closed date that cannot be a past date. How do you implement this?
Suppose close date that last date.
Yeah, last date or past date, you can say. Miss previous date. Close date cannot be a previous date. How you can implement this?
Mm, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, uh, ma'am, first of all, create a validation rule.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are saying with the help of validation rule, we can do this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next question is, you want to show today's date on the record without user input, right? You want to show today's date on record without user input. Which formula function can be used here?
Okay, ma'am. Give me 2 minutes. We used to formula field with the today function to show today date on the record.
Okay. Okay. If amount is greater than 50,000, then shows high value deal. Otherwise, show normal deal. How would you write this logic using formula field? Can you show me?
Mm, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can tell me verbally also, or if you want to uh, write a formula for me by sharing your screen, then it would be better.
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Can you tell me verbally?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have no idea.
Okay. Not an issue. Okay. So you have account and project, right? A project can exist even if an account is deleted. Which relationship would you use and why? Project is that is another object, right?
Many to many,
Many to many.
many to many relationship.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how we can achieve many to many relationship? Can we implement directly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. You have a custom object list, right? You want list item to inherit sharing setting from opportunity. What type of relationship required here?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You have a custom object that is list, right? And you want list item to inherit sharing setting from the opportunity. So what type of relationship required here between opportunity and the list? So they can inherit their sharing setting. Akshi, I'm waiting for your answer. Are you able to give the answer? Akshi, you were disconnected, right? Akshi, can you hear me? Akshi, unmute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. So,
I'm I'm sharing setting in Salesforce control. Who can see access record in your organization. Sharing setting decide how data record and share between users.
okay. So you create a lookup relationship, but now we need roll-up summary field. How will you do this?
Okay, ma'am. Lookup is a type of relationship field used to connect one object to another object.
Okay, okay. What happen if OWD is set to private for a particular object?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Please repeat again.
What happen if OWD is set to private for a particular object?
Users can only the record they own. Other user cannot be see records by default.
Okay, okay. Only HR users should see salary field on employee record. How will you implement this?
Um, like
Please adjust your mic, Akshay.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Set a permission set. I'm by use to permission set.
Okay. Okay, what is difference between profile and permission set?
Okay, ma'am. मैम प्रोफाइल डिफाइन मैम बेसिक एक्सेस फॉर यूजर और मैम सेकंड फॉर मैम गिव एक्स्ट्रा एक्सेस टू ए यूजर मैम परमिशन सेट सेकंड ऑफ मैम नंबर ऑफ यूजर्स मैम प्रोफाइल में ओनली वन और परमिशन सेट में मल्टीपल यूजर्स और जो एक्सेस टाइप मैम कैन अलो अलोर एक्सेस मैम ओनली अलो कैन नॉट मैम ऑब्जेक्ट परमिशन यस एंड मैम मैम इसमें भी परमिशन सेट यस ही होती है मैम मैम इतनी सी
Okay. When would you use manual sharing?
मैम मैनुअल शेयरिंग इज used to मैम only manual sharing is a Salesforce is a features that allow user to share and record with individual or group when standard setting do not apply मैम इसमें only वन रिकॉर्ड ही शेयर कर सकते हैं
Okay.
used to
Okay. What is difference between report and dashboard?
मैम रिपोर्ट
Yeah, report and dashboard.
Ma'am, a report is a detailed list on table of data showing record and information based on filter. Ma'am, a dashboard is a visual representation of key metrics, usually summarization or multiple record using chart, graphs, and etc.
Okay.
Mm,
Where we can create a bucket field in rows or in columns.
ma'am,
Do you know about the bucket field? Where we used bucket field?
yes, ma'am. My bucket field is Salesforce is a report only field
Mhm.
that let you report group report values into custom categories without creating a new field on the object. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am used to inside ma'am group value like amounts of stays into meaningful bucket. Simply without modify object of schema.
Okay. How you can import or export data in Salesforce?
Ma'am, ma'am, please repeat again, ma'am.
How can you import or export data in Salesforce?
Mm, Ma'am, import data, ma'am, use data import wizard simple web based good for standard object like contact leads and object. Ma'am,
Okay.
use data loader. Ma'am, mode advanced can handle large volume and custom object. Ma'am, support CSV files.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, export data. Ma'am, use data export wizard simple schedule or immediately can export all data.
Okay. Okay. How will you send automate birthday email to all employee on their birthday? Can you configure it?
Mm, No, ma'am, sorry.
Okay. Okay. So are you is question is clear? Is this question clear? Or
Yes,
shall I
ma'am.
explain?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So should I ask next question, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So when an account is created, an opportunity created automatically related with that account. How you can do this?
Please repeat again.
When an account is created, an related opportunity should create automatically, right? How you can do this?
Sorry, ma'am, I have no idea.
Okay. What is sandbox?
Mm, in Salesforce, Sandbox is a copy for um, production environment, your live Salesforce organization, and that is use of testing, development, and training without real data.
Okay.
Think it like a practice environment.
Okay. Okay. How will you migrate changes from sandbox to production environment?
Mm, mm, repeat again. समझ नहीं आया.
How will you migrate changes from sandbox to production environment? Do you have any idea about this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. The issue. Okay. User want different pick list values for different team. How will you design it? Okay. Okay. What happens when a user is deactivated?
You were told it.
Your voice is not clear. Can you repeat again, please?
Ma'am, give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, repeat again.
What happens when a user is deactivated?
Ma'am, ma'am, role change where access is no longer needed.
Okay.
Exit record is still so then as the owner unless reassigned.
Okay. Okay. Can permission set override OWD settings?
Ma'am, permission set, ma'am, is a ma'am, extra, ma'am, extra permission. Ma'am, give me extra permission. Permission set is a collection of permission and citing that grant user access to specific tool and function. And OWD, OWD is a default baseline level to access for all records of an object. And so is specify the base level of access of records.
Okay. Can we remove standard fields from the objects?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So suppose a child record must have a parent, but the business decide the child should exist independently. How will you do this?
By using master detail.
Okay. Okay. So do you want to ask any question, Akshi?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Akshi, thank you. It was good session with you. Thank you for being here.
Uh,